How to select the best shot between multiple shots of video in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added 3 clips to my timeline. I also added some clips to the media pool. Here, I'm editing this clip and I want to select the best shot for the second clip between some shots that I have. Right-click on the second clip and select Take Selector. Now select the other shots that you may want to use and drag them above the second clip. Here you can drag one of the shots to the left or right, and in the viewer, you can see the original clip on the left and the shot that you're moving to the right. If you want other clips to be rippled forward after you use this shot, enable Ripple button. Now if you close this window, the selected shot will replace the second clip in your timeline. To open the window again, double-click on this little icon. To remove a shot from Shot Selector, just click on Delete button. When you're happy with the selected shot, right-click on the clip and click Finalize Take. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.